Think your toolbox is cool? Think again. Milwaukee's 2026 lineup takes power and precision to a level that almost feels unfair. These tools don't just work harder, they work smarter, cleaner, and faster than ever before. So buckle up, because what you are about to see will make DIYing way more exciting, and maybe even a little addictive. Milwaukee Air Tip Dust Collector. You know that nightmare moment when you drill into a wall, and suddenly it feels like a dust storm indoors? It gets everywhere. Your tools, the floor, even your face. Well, those days are over. The Milwaukee Air Tip Dust Collector uses a precision suction design that locks directly to the wall and captures dust before it ever escapes. A simple idea turned into a must-have upgrade for clean, pro-level drilling. Milwaukee Low-Speed Tire Buffer. Flat tires happen, but now they're no big deal. The Milwaukee Low-Speed Tire Buffer changes the game with the world's first cordless design, giving you total freedom from bulky compressors and hoses. It delivers pro-grade speed and control with a 2-mode drive system that lets you work with accuracy and confidence. And with enough battery power to handle 30 tire repairs in one charge, it's faster, cleaner, and built for real-world efficiency on the go. Milwaukee Lock Bolt Tool. Say goodbye to compressors and tangled air hoses. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/4-inch lock bolt tool brings cordless freedom and power together in one sleek package. It installs up to 1,200 lock bolts per charge. That's double the speed of other cordless tools. Lightweight yet durable, it's built for all-day performance and precision. Whether you're fastening on steel or aluminum, it's smooth, efficient, and completely hassle-free. Milwaukee Vibratory Screed Concrete. Concrete work doesn't need to feel like a gym workout anymore. The Milwaukee MX Fuel Vibratory Screed is engineered for effortless power, starting up at the push of a button with zero gas, zero fumes, and all the muscle you need. It glides through pores with precision, pulling a 16-foot bar across the surface with ease. The result? Smooth, professional finishes without the noise or the strain. Milwaukee Brushless 2-inch Planer. Small but mighty, the Milwaukee M12 Brushless Planer brings serious power to a compact tool. It delivers up to 5/64ths of an inch per pass with precision depth control across 21 settings. Dual-sided chip ports and vacuum compatibility make cleanup effortless. At 14,500 RPMs, it glides through doors, edges, and hardwoods with perfect smoothness and zero fuss. Milwaukee Pipeline Locator. Stop guessing where the pipes are. The Milwaukee M12 Pipeline Locator brings advanced detection with dual 3D antennas that pinpoint sawn locations with incredible accuracy. The bright 4.3-inch LCD screen and intuitive arrow guidance make navigation easy, even underground. Durable, weather-resistant, and powered for all-day use, it's the future of pipeline locating, simple, smart, and precise. Milwaukee Dust Trap Drilling Shroud. Drilling overhead doesn't need to mean eating dust. The Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap captures debris right at the point of drilling. No vacuums, no hoses, no mess. It fits universally on all SDS Plus hammers and bits up to 8 inches, and its transparent, collapsible design keeps visibility high while keeping you clean and compliant. Milwaukee Carry-On Power Supply. Picture this, you're on site, powering every tool in your arsenal, but there's no roar of a generator, no smell of fumes, and no tangled cords. The Milwaukee Carry-On Power Supply delivers 3,600 peak watts and 1,800 running watts of silent, clean energy. Built with a rugged roll cage and easy push-button start, it's perfect for indoor projects or remote jobs where reliability matters. Compact, emission-free, and tough enough to handle anything. This is portable power done right. Milwaukee Threaded Rod Cutter. Cutting threaded rods has never been cleaner. The Milwaukee M18 brushless rod cutter slices through 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch rods without leaving burrs or rough edges. Auto jaw opening speeds up workflow, and its cordless design means you can take it anywhere. It's smooth, fast, and built to handle repetition like a pro. Milwaukee Variable Speed Nibbler. Sheet metal cutting just got an upgrade. The Milwaukee 16-gauge Variable Speed Nibbler delivers precise, smooth cuts up to 7 feet per minute through steel, aluminum, or stainless. Adjustable speeds, an ergonomic grip, and built-in LED lighting give you accuracy in any environment. It's lightweight, reliable, and built to move metal like a master. Milwaukee Surveyor Safety Vest. This isn't your standard job site vest. It's a full-on mobile workstation. The Milwaukee Surveyor Safety Vest packs 27 reinforced pockets for tools, tablets, bottles, and IDs, all wrapped in moisture-wicking, antimicrobial fabric that keeps you cool and dry. High-visibility reflectivity ensures safety from every angle, while the ergonomic design makes long days far more comfortable. It's smart, practical, and tough enough to handle whatever the site throws your way. Milwaukee Mounting Fan. When the job gets hot, this fan keeps you cool. The Milwaukee M12 mounting fan pushes up to 14 miles per hour of airflow and spins a full 360 degrees for perfect positioning. It mounts anywhere, magnets, clamps, or keyholes, and runs for up to 16 hours on a single charge. Quiet, efficient, and ready for long shifts, it's the job site's coolest upgrade. Milwaukee Hydraulic Pump. For heavy-duty performance on the go, the Milwaukee M18 Force Logic 10,000 PSI hydraulic pump delivers raw power in a compact, cordless form. It's 75 pounds lighter than gas units, yet 3 times faster. With 24-second cycles, multiple operation modes, and 1 key tracking, it's high-pressure innovation that defines efficiency. Milwaukee 165mm 6-inch pipe stand. Heavy, awkward pipe stands are a thing of the past. The Milwaukee 6-inch pipe stand folds flat for easy storage and transport, but locks solidly when it's time to get to work. With adjustable jaws, removable shelves, and a durable steel build, it grips everything from conduit to struts and channel. Whether you're on-site or in the shop, it's engineered for balance, versatility, and long-term reliability. Milwaukee Sewer Drum Machine. Drain cleaning just leveled up. The Milwaukee M18 sewer drum machine clears 1.5 to 4-inch lines with cordless power and up to 100 feet of cable. The removable drum design makes cleanup fast and easy, while TrueView lighting helps you see exactly what you're doing. No cords, no gas, no mess. Just fast, reliable power when you need it most. Milwaukee Hardline Knives. The Milwaukee Hardline knife isn't just a pocket knife. It's a daily essential for pros who demand performance. The 3-inch D2 steel blade holds an edge longer, while the smooth action flipper allows for lightning-fast, one-handed deployment. Its steel frame lock ensures safety under pressure, and the reversible clip lets you carry it however you like. Rugged, reliable, and razor-sharp, it's the kind of tool that never lets you down. Milwaukee Packout Mounting Plate. Storage meets strength. The Milwaukee Packout mounting plate is made from impact-resistant polymers, holding 100 pounds on the floor or 50 on the wall. Reinforced holes and tie-down points make setup simple and secure. Whether you're organizing your truck or your workshop, it's the foundation for a perfect packout system. Milwaukee Inksol Jobsite Markers. Ordinary markers quit when things get tough. Milwaukee Inksol markers don't. They write through dust, water, and oil on concrete, metal, wood, or cinder block, and they don't clog. The ink dries fast, resists smearing, and the built-in clip keeps it ready at hand. It's a small tool that makes a big difference on every site. Milwaukee Ultimate Job Site Backpack. The Milwaukee Ultimate Job Site Backpack isn't just for carrying tools, it's for organizing your entire workday. With 48 reinforced pockets, a load-bearing harness, and weather-resistant canvas, it's built for durability and comfort. From laptops to hand tools, everything fits securely, ready for the toughest conditions. Milwaukee Heavy-Duty Flex Work Pants. These aren't just work pants, they're a second skin built for movement. The Milwaukee Heavy-Duty Flex Pants combine tear-resistant fabric with reinforced stitching, a gusseted crotch, and built-in stretch panels for unmatched comfort. With 6 deep pockets and tool clips right where you need them, they're designed for people who never stop moving. Milwaukee Bolt Head Protection and Accessories. Traditional hard hats just protect, but the Milwaukee Bolt system does more. It's a modular head protection platform that lets you attach multiple accessories at once, from lights to visors to earmuffs, without removing your gear. Swap attachments instantly, stay covered, and stay productive. It's safety and efficiency combined in one smart system. Milwaukee Safety Glasses. Foggy lenses are every worker's nightmare, but not anymore. The Milwaukee Anti-Fog Safety Glasses stay clear no matter how hot or humid the job gets. The lenses are scratch-resistant and UV-protected, while the red-tinted design adds comfort and contrast in bright environments. Lightweight yet durable, these glasses deliver clarity, comfort, and confidence all day long. Milwaukee Rover Service and Repair Floodlight. Light the dark like never before. The Milwaukee M12 Rover Floodlight delivers 700 lumens of bright, consistent illumination with up to 24 hours of runtime. The magnetic base, keyhole mounts, and USB charging make it versatile for any setup. Built tough with IP54 protection, it's your all-day, all-night lighting solution. Milwaukee Tick Tool and Equipment Tracker. Never lose a tool again. The Milwaukee One-Key Tick Tracker attaches to any piece of equipment with screws, zip ties, or rivets and stands up to weather, dust, and time. With over 3 years of battery life and live tracking through the One-Key app, your gear stays protected and always within reach. Milwaukee M18 valved respirator. If you've ever worked in a hot, dusty environment, you know how uncomfortable it can get. The Milwaukee M18 valved respirator is built to fix that. Its integrated valve lowers internal temperature by 10 degrees, keeping your breathing cool and easy even in heavy dust conditions. The adjustable straps and soft seal gasket provide a snug fit for all-day wear. It's breathable protection that feels as good as it performs. And that's a wrap on Milwaukee's 2026 Power Surge. These tools are bold, brilliant, and built to dominate the next generation of work sites. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss what's next. Keep building, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.